Happy New Year's, everyone, and welcome once again to my The FX Institution YouTube channel. So, today's video is titled Forex Terminologies. Why? See, like any other industry, Forex has terms, words, expressions that are understood from one trader to another. See, just like any other industry, there are certain words that people in that industry talk about that they only them can understand. For example, a doctor would talk about Adam's apple, frontal lobe, medial, mediastinal, lateral, bilateral. A doctor will talk about, one of the most recent terms that we've got to know is operandus modus from the Oscar Pistorius case. So, like I'm saying, guys, Forex, just like any other industry, has terms and terminologies that are used to peer-to-peer trader that they may know what they are talking about. And remember, I'm catering for those that have an idea, want to have an idea what is Forex, and my teaching or projection of what this Forex industry as a whole is in very short time span and a very limited information, which is big chunk of information. I'm just narrowing it down for you so that you may understand it in the most simplest and effective way. So now, guys, before we get into Forex terminologies and jargons, guys, often, when I talk to people generally of what is Forex, the first question that they ask me is that if Forex is an online business, why is a chart or a graph being used? Well, that's exactly that, guys. Remember, Forex means foreign exchange, and Forex exchange means comparing or converting one currency strength to another. So when you compare or convert something, you want to see its past performance, present performance, and future performance. So ideally, a graph is what would be used, even not in Forex. In other things, when you compare two things, you will see the gradient, the median, and its altitude. Like, it's very high level. That's why we use a chart when we are trading Forex. But that's a topic for another day, and that's when we're gonna delve deeper into the MetaTrader trading platform. Another thing, and most important thing, I'm sure you would have often heard that traders talk about pip. What is a pip? A pip is a fourth decimal value. Now, that's when the actual numerical value of the two currency pairs that are being compared comes into value. So when you compare the Great British Pound to the American dollar, that fourth decimal value behind the comma, that's the actual value or the numerical value of the difference between the Great British Pound and the American United States dollar. Yeah, guys. So a pip is a fourth decimal value, and that gives you the actual numerical value, the actual difference between the two traded pairs. Ideally, generally, for all currency pairs that are GBP, USD base, that's a fourth decimal value. For non-USD base pairs, specifically Japanese yen, it's a second decimal value. So on that aspect, we're going to delve deeper. But just remember that a pip is a fourth decimal value, and it gives the actual numerical value between the two compared or traded currency pairs. Pretty much moving on swiftly now and in a more effective way. Like I said, I want to give you this chunk information in a short period of time in the most simplest and easiest way to understand. Now, often when we talk about Forex, you see two dominant animals, and that is a bear and a bull. Well, those images in itself are explanatory. For example, this is what I'm talking about. How does a bear attack you? A bear attacks you by hovering over you. Ne? It covers you. So ideally, that's when the market is selling. That's when the market is going down. And how does a bull attack you? It attacks you with its horns, kicking you up. It's pushing you up. And that is when the market is going what? It's going up. So like I said, Forex, it's big chunk of information. It's foreign language to most people, but should you have a general idea of what is being talked about and what is it about, you'll have an understanding, and you'll find that Forex, it's more practical. It's an action industry. It's an applied industry. Once you have your knowledge and you applied it, you can make profit. You can make a living off of it. You understand, guys? Now, like I said, today's video is termed Forex terminologies. The first terminology we're gonna talk about is bullish. What is bullish? Bullish is, it explains that that's when the market is going up. So when I talk to another forex trader and I tell him the market is bullish, I will be telling him or her that the market is pushing up, it's going up. When I say it's bearish, that's when the market is what, trending down. Another term, or intertable, like we can change, use them. We can change these words often, or use another word, or use other words. Is when one says long, the market is long. It means the market is going up. Similarly, or interchangeably to bullish, that's when the market is going up. So when I tell another trader no that I went long on this specific pair, it means that I bought, I went up, ne? I went bullish. Now when I say I went short, meaning that I sold the market. For example, I sold Euro JPY. That means I went short. I meaning I went selling. I went bearish. Like I said, forex is more practical, and it's a language that once understood, you can easily be profitable from it and get so much from it. So like I said, just a quick recap. Today's video is termed Forex terminologies. What is a pip? It's a fourth decimal value, and it is the actual numerical value between the traded pairs. What is bullish? That's when the market is going up. What is being long? It is also the same thing, going up. What is bearish? Bearish, it is when the market is selling, when the trend is going down. What is short? Same thing as being bearish. The market is selling. It's selling. That's simple, guys. So thank you so much once again for tuning into my channel. Like I said, I'm going to give you so much value in a short period of time, because I think by the time you come across my video, your brain would have consumed so much information that probably you'll be tired. But hence I'm saying I'm giving you valuable information in a short concentration span that you can capture and understand them. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video on my YouTube channel. This is a journey of so many great things to come. I'll see you on the next video. Happy New Year's. Let's have a great year have a great start to a great year. I just personally feel that 2020 is the year of manifestation, guys. So thank you so much from me, Morena Maile, from the Maile FX Institution. See you on the next video. Goodbye.